Hi everyone and welcome to my cooking diary. Today I'm gonna make chili chicken. This is a great recipe and it can be served as a starter and it even goes very well as a main course. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have taken 500 grams of boneless chicken cubes. I have taken chicken breast and cut it into cubes. It's time to add few ingredients now. Salt half a teaspoon. Coarsely grounded black pepper 1 teaspoon. Minced garlic 1.5 teaspoon. And I am taking egg white here of a medium egg. We need to mix everything together now. Once everything is mixed together, we will add corn flour. I am taking 2 tablespoons of corn flour. This is basically for the binding. We have to again mix everything together so that the coating of the chicken is uniform and even. Keep this chicken aside for some time. Take some oil in a pan. It's time to fry the chicken now. Place the pieces one by one and make sure that there is some gap between the pieces so that the chicken won't stick to each other. Cook on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes approximately on one side. It's been 3 minutes now. I will now turn the pieces so that the chicken can be cooked on the other side as well. Chicken is now perfectly cooked. You can see the color, it has now turned golden brown. We'll take out the chicken in a strainer. If you notice guys, the chicken has turned out really crispy because of the corn flour binding that we added. Let me give you a close look. It's perfectly cooked. Fry the entire batch like this and keep it aside. In a separate bowl now, take dark soya sauce 2 tablespoons. We will now add few other ingredients. Red chili sauce 1 tablespoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. This sauce really gives a good flavor, so don't avoid it. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. Coarsely grounded black pepper 1 teaspoon. Salt as per your taste, but remember guys, the sauces that we have added already contain salt in it, so be careful. Now we will add brown sugar 1 tablespoon. If you don't have brown sugar, you can alternatively use honey. Add some water so that when we will add this mix in the pan, it won't burn. Keep this mix aside now. In another pan, take some oil, approximately 1.5 tablespoon. You can use the same oil that we used for frying the chicken. Now add finely chopped garlic 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. We'll now add onions 1 cup. I have cut it into squares. We'll saute it for a minute. Remember guys, the entire cooking now will be on high flame. The main reason being that we want to lock the moisture inside. We don't want that the vegetables should lose out some water. Otherwise they will become soggy. So remember, it will be on high flame. Now I am taking some mixed bell peppers. I have taken all 3 available, green, red and yellow. We'll again saute it on high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. It's time to add the sauce mix that we prepared earlier. Remember that we already added water in this so that the sauces won't burn immediately. We were already cooking on high flame and that is the reason we added water in the sauce mix. After 1 or 2 minutes, we will add the fried chicken that we had prepared earlier. Give everything a good mix now. I have taken corn flour and mixed it with little water. We are going to add a teaspoon of this. The corn flour slurry that we have just added will now thicken the sauce, and the sauce will get uniformly coated on the chicken pieces. Chicken is now almost done. It's time to add the final ingredients now. I'm adding green onions, approximately 1.5 tablespoons. It really gives a very nice flavor and aroma. You can optionally add toasted sesame. I have added half a teaspoon. Give it a good mix and chili chicken is ready to be served. Garnish it with some green onions and toasted sesame. The chicken already looks so colorful, the sauce is tangy and sweet. I can't wait to take a bite. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, comment in the comment section below, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.